In the larger scheme of things, Sara is unimportant. So please do not file impeachment complaints. It will only distract us from the real work of governance, WHIC, or WHIC, is improve the lot of all Filipinos. Now, a lot of people scoff at INC's apparent meddling in politics, but if the Catholic Church can do it, then so can they. It's either every religious institution slash congregation can influence politics in this grand scale, or no one is allowed to. And as far as the scoreboard goes, the Catholics have it 2 EDSA people powers to the INC's 0. I don't like it either, but here we are. Kumbaga parang napaka-double standard. Bakit parang masyado tayong galit sa Iglesia ni Cristo in the sense that they have like the second largest denomination of Christianity here in the Philippines. Bakit parang masyado tayong averse sa kanilang mga movements when, sinasabi natin or binibigay agad natin yung konstitusyon that the separation of church and state is inviolable. Pero hindi natin sila binibring up nung EDSA People Power 1 and 2. 'Di ba gano'n naman talaga si Jaime Cardinal Sin pa nga ang nag-call upon the people para pabagsakin ang rehimeng Marcos at Presidente Estrada. Is that is that double standard? Of course it is, and that's kind of the hypocrisy that we see with a lot of Catholics. Lalo na sa TikTok na nagsasabi, na kulto-kulto, shut up, okay? Every religion is by definition a cult, but in a larger scheme of things. And you don't have to attribute connotation and or attribute connotation of stigma around the word cult. You're just projecting yourself. You can watch my previous NIDW recap number 80 para sa full text scoffing at scrutinizing ng inyong lingkod ukol sa mga impeachment complaints laban kay Duterte, especially dun sa kunyaring leak ni Marcos na text message.